Hello lovely people from YouTube and TikTok. I'm back again with another knife and another unboxing. So it's gonna open this box and see what we got. Wow. Oh, so we have a fixed blade with a nice chain, a plastic sheet, and here's the knife. So it's half serrated, double-edged blade, half standard. It's got a hole here, no belt clip or window breaker, but obviously it comes with a nice chain to put it on your neck to do any outdoor activities like fishing, camping, hiking. Very nice, very cool knife. I like it a lot. It definitely goes into my collection. Very durable plastic sheet, strong knife. If you like this video, will be appreciated. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok for more knife content or outdoor products. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.